Hello ladies and welcome to today's behind the scenes. Today we are here to unbox Ever Sassy.
Welcome lovelies. We are in neutral colors, both of us.
Yes.
Lovely.
And I'm wearing pants.
And you're wearing, oh my God. call the paper, the newspaper.
I wanted to shock you.
You are right. You look so cute in pants.
Thank you.
I don't know what your problem is, you know?
I don't like pants.
Oh, come on.
I
You
love
wear
skirts
jeans.
and dresses.
You wear
I wear
jeans all the time.
I do wear jeans.
Look,
But
keep
look,
on
I'm scratching them.
He's cut his spot. Thumper.
Thumper. Yes, I am wearing the Ever Sassy crinkle pants because it's Ever Sassy unboxing day.
True.
So I thought, let's get some Ever Sassy in.
Yeah, she's very smart, isn't she?
And the Maria La Luna.
And
Look at the beautiful silver gray. So
Bluff.
pretty. And look at this piece from Ziska.
So nicely put together.
Yeah. But you look fabulous. I love this colorway. So classy on you.
Yeah, and this fun.
That's one of
necklace.
our faves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's one of her favorites.
It goes with everything.
Oh yeah, these nice.
Yeah, gorgeous.
Nice.
Mustard.
Yeah.
Mustard in this safari
Yeah.
color is gorgeous.
Yeah.
So nice. And we got Charlie here with us, thumping away. All right, so let's unbox the beautiful shipment we got in from Ever Sassy. Ever Sassy always sends trickles of
A
shipments.
few shipments.
And we
for
actually
per
got a box
season.
of this the other day, just a box with these dresses in that go with the other collection that we got in. But ladies, here is another beautiful
that's so
dress.
beautiful.
I know. So
Wow.
I don't know why they do, but they always trickle in. So anyways, this is another beauty that got added to the collection. I love it with the side pocket here. It's gorgeous. And so we have, beautiful seersucker.
Yeah.
This is gorgeous.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
I love that about their designs. They do these asymmetrical zippers, asymmetrical
Yeah,
hemline,
really funky.
cute little hood.
Great design.
Great design.
And you know the detail, Tessa. Like look at the pocket, right?
Yes.
It's got that extra reinforced band.
Yeah.
I love these details. It's so well thought out, and the workmanship is absolutely beautiful.
Beautiful.
on Ever
Yeah,
Sassy.
really well made. Made in Turkey, ladies.
Yeah.
Designed in Montreal, but made in Turkey. So there's another in the seersucker here. Ooh, and this is that staple
A staple
top that they do
Yeah.
with the cowl. A lot of
Yeah.
ladies love it. They've done it in a few different designs.
and that's functional, right?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
So you can play with that.
Yeah.
Very
That's
cool.
really cute.
That is going to be beautiful. You should style that one up. I know you have in the taffeta in that, right? In that same
Yeah, I do.
pants. Ooh, look at this color too, eh?
Look at those
For the
pants.
summer?
Honest to God.
What a gorgeous pant.
Gorgeous.
And nice, a bit narrower, which is
Yeah.
nice, ladies.
Yeah. And look how funky this is.
Nice thick band,
Like, and a
couple
straight,
inches.
and it's not that crinkle fabric, it's a flat fabric,
Yeah.
which is very smart. you
Yeah.
know? Yeah.
And I had a skirt on the other day that had a thin band here, and it really changes the look of it.
It does.
And it almost gives you like a little belly.
You're
but
absolutely
this
right.
thickness is perfect because then it's
Yeah.
nice and stable and
Right
thick.
in your little muffin. You don't have
And it doesn't, give you a little pauncher, if I could say. But look at, did we show the
Yeah.
buttons? Yeah, gorgeous.
Yeah.
That's a Lousje outfit right there.
Yeah.
Ooh, the jumper dress. Remember this in taffeta last year?
Yeah,
We
that's
sold out of
right.
them in no time.
That's right, with the two little zippers.
Yes, they're
Yeah.
non-functional zippers, but there is pockets here, I believe. Yeah, awesome in the seersucker, and then a bubble elastic bottom.
Darling.
I'll style those up. I love these jumpers. And oh my God, are you ready?
Yeah.
Close your eyes. Ready?
Pow!
Look at that color.
Holland.
That
here we
is
come.
sensational.
That is sensational.
Look at that.
That's smack summer.
That's gorgeous with a nice tan.
Oh,
Be amazing.
you are very tan, by the way.
Yeah. I think I'm wearing the white. I'm bringing the white out of my teeth.
Is it natural tan?
And the white. Yes, I just got back from Cuba. It is natural.
Okay.
Look at that. I love that. That's so beautiful. So there's extra small to double extra large, and it fits beautifully, true to size.
Yeah.
And this you're gonna love. Look at this print.
Oh, what a darling print, Tessa. Oh, that is adorable.
So there's a cowl neck
Yeah.
and then a little tie here tunnel.
Oh, love, love,
give
love,
some detail.
love.
And yeah, there's some stretch in this fabric.
And this is a cowl, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
You can cuff that down.
Absolutely beautiful.
That'd be pretty with the pants. You know what? It'd be great. Look at with these pants that I have
Totally.
on. Yeah,
Totally.
with the crinkle and the crinkle.
Right.
That would be fabulous.
Yeah.
Oh, another jacket. We love their jackets.
Oh, yeah. That's
Hey?
a cute one. Yeah.
With the hood.
Yeah.
It's kind of sporty, but it's
No, it's adorable. And it's got the dome side, which is so cute.
yeah,
High-low.
high-low.
Very
Crinkle
cute.
fabric will
Very
travel
cute.
amazing.
Travel beautiful.
Got a cute hood.
Yeah.
And that'll go nice with these pants as well.
Yeah.
So these pants can incorporate in all this.
Yeah, those pants are really, really nice.
They're great, eh? They're comfy too.
They are.
They have the thick band too up here, which
Yeah.
is nice. Oh, I love this one.
Look at that. Oh my goodness. How creative is that?
It's gorgeous.
This is the pattern, comes out really beautifully.
Such a
Fitted
classy
here
print.
and then out, right?
Yeah, like
you could
sort
wear
of
it with white, with the taupe, with black.
natural linen.
Yeah,
Natural linen pants.
that's right. Natural linen.
And one more.
You could even wear it with these, Tessa.
Oh, you could.
Look,
Look at that.
very light is in there. Sorry,
And
Charlie.
it matches Charlie too.
Here, look, see? Oh yeah, that
Charlie
would
could
be-
wear it.
Charlie, I just had to yell at him because
He's skittish.
Tessa just
But
touched
she,
him like this.
Lucia
and he's-
babies him.
Look at him.
Look at, he's a baby.
He's like a child. Now
He's a
he's
baby.
saying, "Oh, Mom, please like me again."
Is that why he's cuddling you? Because you
Yeah.
yelled at him?
Yeah, didn't you see him stare at me? And then I said, "It's okay. Come
Look,
and
he's
lie down."
holding on to her for dear life. He's like wrapped
I
right
think
into
I
her.
really created like a little monster.
You did. Look at him. He's so funny. Oh, he's the cutest.
We
But
have
you touch him in certain ways and he yelps so
and
loud.
So loud it
You
scares
feel
the
like
living
you
daylights
hurt
out
him.
of you. It's
What is it?
It's attention. I had him checked out by the vet, and I talked to somebody with a dog
Does he
on
have
our walks.
anxiety?
Yeah. Well, thunder
Oh, yeah,
or
and then he goes
or
crazy.
firecrackers. He wants to crawl in the couch. Honest to God, if I would let him, he would dig a hole in the couch. So he's on drops. He's got a calming jacket. He's got.
Oh, it's like those sleep blankets, those weighted blankets. That's so nice. That's nice for him.
Yeah, but it doesn't make much difference.
No?
The other day, Glenn was burnt to toast, and Glenn has a fire alarm.
he must have
That
been nuts.
sounds like the fire engine goes off. Honest to God, it's like an unbelievable sound. He went to the balcony door and he wanted to get out, and then I opened the balcony door and he went out, and he was like
Panting?
shaking. He shakes like a leaf.
He's pacing around.
So yeah, he's got anxiety issues. I could not ever picture him with another dog, you know,
No.
like Ruby
Ruby,
suggested.
my daughter wants her to get another dog now, a puppy. Hey, Charlie.
Charlie would.
He'd be beside himself.
Yeah, he would be second puppy. Okay, let's talk
So-
clothing.
We're going to have to start a little podcast about Charlie.
Honest to God.
Look at this.
Oh, what darling is this?
Yes. So
A
we've
little
had a few years ago a dress in black and
Yeah.
white. Do you remember? And this same pattern, but now in this gorgeous print.
Love.
Love,
Tessa.
love, love,
Love,
love.
love, love.
Cannot wait to style those up. Calling dibs on this one. This
Okay,
is so up my alley.
sure.
So yeah, we hope you enjoyed that. Beautiful fabric.
Beautiful fabrics.
Something
and now we're
fresh
gonna
and
style
new.
it. We have
Yeah.
something new to style. The
So-
excitement never ends.
It never Watch out tomorrow. Me and Lousje are going to style these beauties up for you.
Keep on smiling, lovelies, and keep on watching.